Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. MissBT here, coming to you guys today with a clean, rearrange, decorate with me video for my living room. So my living room was a hot mess. This is pretty typical for the end of the week. So I wanted to share with you guys how I rearranged and cleaned up a little bit. So first things first, I am going to pick up everything that does not belong in the living room and put it where it's supposed to be. But these green chairs that you see in here are actually supposed to be upstairs. We are going to be getting some living room chairs really soon, so as soon as we get those I will show you guys, but these will do for now just to provide us with some extra seating in the main area. Okay, so once I've gotten everything out of the living room and all the pillows off the couch, I wanted to go ahead and sprinkle the baking powder, or excuse me, baking soda all over the couch. I love doing this just to deodorize. So the pets, our little babies, are not allowed on these couches, but I still like to, do that to deodorize. So as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and do a nice clean sweep. I'm going to also vacuum the floor here in just a second, but I like to sweep everything as well, just because there's like little dirt or dust or whatever, and just going to get all of that up. Since I am planning on moving my furniture around a little bit during this time while I'm cleaning, I went ahead and made sure that I moved the furniture out so that I could get behind all of the couches. And this is my little vacuum that I like to use. I'll leave the information for it down below. I think I picked it up at like Target or Walmart, but I like to sweep first and then get all the dirt with this little vacuum, and it fits pretty much anywhere, so it's super convenient. Okay, so now I am getting my water ready to mop. So I like to put Fabuloso in my water. I know that some people can mop with vinegar, but I just like the smell of Fabuloso, so that's what I use today. So I got this little spin mop contraption from Walmart. It was like in the as seen on TV section of Walmart, and it also has like a little roll away caddy thing that can go with it. Also, I haven't gotten that yet, but I need to. I want to say it was like less than 40 bucks, so I love it. I've had it for like almost 2 years now, and I use it all the time. And the little mop part is also detachable, so you can throw that in the washing machine with your towels. So here I'm just going ahead and vacuuming up all of that baking soda. I also use this opportunity to flip the cushions and move those around as well, because you know how sometimes when people sit on the same side of the couch, it'll start to get a little flat. So I go ahead and take this time to flip and switch. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and drag this big old rug back into the living room. I took it up a couple of weeks ago, and now I'm like, maybe I should put it back. But so now I'm just going to go ahead and do that. You know, Bailey is always in my way. Bailey is hilarious, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, he is hooked to my hip. I mean, I don't mind it, but, you know, he's my little baby. So I'm pretty sure that there's like a better way for me to do this, but I just like to go ahead and vacuum the rug. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get it like steam cleaned and everything as well, but for now that'll do. But as you can see here, I am going to start rearranging the sofa. So we actually got this sofa set from Rooms to Go, and it is so comfortable, y'all. It is so comfortable. I want to say we've had it for like a year now, and zero complaints. Bear doesn't know this, but I actually spilled coffee on this one. But Rooms to Go actually gives you like the stain remover stuff, and y'all, that stuff works. It works. So as long as you have the stain protection on your sofa and you have that little stuff, you'll be good to go. But until he watches this video, he, you know, doesn't even know that I spilled coffee on this thing. So this Ottoman is also from Rooms to Go. It's a part of the set, or like the living room set that you can choose from, because this color also comes in gray and the beige color. So we didn't want everything to be, you know, so matchy. So we got a gray Ottoman with the beige couch, and we love it. So it works. So we actually got that blanket and this mirrored tray from HomeGoods. The mirrored tray is something my mom came across and she gifted it to us. And then these flowers are also from HomeGoods as well. HomeGoods has like some of the best faux flowers, y'all. They're amazing. I don't think I mentioned this, but the pillows that you see are actually the ones that came with the couch. So it does come with a lot of pillows. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find some really nice kind of pillow, I guess, sleeves or pillowcases, if you will, to kind of jazz it up a little bit. But for now, these pillows definitely work, and they're nice in my opinion. Okay, y'all, can we just get a moment of silence for this beautiful mirrored cabinet? Yes, finally. Y'all don't understand. I've had my eye on this thing for like 2-3 years now. Finally found one on Wayfair, so I'll link it down below. But this is our new living room cabinet underneath the TV, and it has ample amount of storage. So I'm super excited to be able to put our games and all of our extra candles and just miscellaneous things in here. So yeah, like, y'all don't understand how happy I am right now. But thank you guys so much for watching and coming back to my channel. I hope you guys got some cleaning inspiration, or at least some decorating inspiration. But if you guys have any questions, need anything, any recommendations, stuff you want to see next, please comment down below. Like and share this video. I hope to see you guys in the next one really soon, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.